So we've reached the end of section 16 and we've now got the ability to upload images for individual users and they're stored as a collection in that or for that user. And we've set up the one-to-many relationship between our users and our photos. So if we just review the learning goals, we took a look at the photo storage options and we selected, I selected a cloud service to store our images. And we've added a photo upload service into our infrastructure project, and that's what our application layer is using for its upload image functionality. Of course, because we're using clean architecture, our application layer has no knowledge of how the photos are being uploaded, nor does it need to care. And if we wanted to change our implementation of that functionality, we do not need to change the logic in our application layer. We only need to change the implementation we're using in our infrastructure project. As long as we return the same object to our application after the photo upload, whatever method we choose is complete, then our application can work with that and our logic doesn't change. And we've also taken a look at using the Cloudinary API, nice and straightforward to get an image from our API server through to Cloudinary and get the response back from there. So just one frequently asked question. I do get asked to give code examples of how to do common tasks, such as how do I upload files to the file system? Now, of course, it's impossible for me to cover everything about everything in a training course, but the documentation does provide code examples in this case. And if you search for upload files in ASP.NET Core, then you'll see the documentation here, and it will give you code examples to do various things with files, including uploading to the file system. Of course, due to the number of students that take these courses, it's simply not possible for me to write personalized code examples for anything that's outside of what we can cover in this course. So what we'll take a look at next is we'll take a look at the client side of things with regards to images in our React application.